This might take a while. It's glass. Oh. Dude, I'm scared. That shit's crazy. You know it scared the shit out of us earlier. That bitch, it shook my whole house. Oh, you know what we should have done? Sprayed the Axolotl inside there. It's still okay to go get it for me, isn't it?
The tape's gonna burn off the inside of the hole. So basically the fire's gonna be inside the hole in a little bit.
Shit, dude. I can't see my phone. If I put my face down. Yeah, I heard that. What's up? Oh shit.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. What the fuck? Dude! Yeah! Dude, that's what's up. Hell yeah. Dude, that was crazy. My camera didn't register it, I don't think.
Dude, I got it perfect, dude, on camera.
Really?
Oh, okay, I'm about done.
Dude, that shit was crazy. Hey, say what's up.
What's up, man?
Alright, that's it. Man, that shit was crazy as fuck.
Oh, making that noise like, look, bitch.
Dude.